Okay, starting with numerical number 14, the de Broglie wavelengths associated with an electron and a proton are same. That is, lambda E is equal to lambda P. For electron and proton are same. What will be the ratio of their momenta? Means PE means momentum for electron and PP momentum for proton. They are asking this ratio and their kinetic energies, means the ratio of kinetic energies. E is the kinetic energy of electron, EP is kinetic energy of proton. Okay, if we want to find ratio of momentum, we have formula lambda is equal to h upon p, and for kinetic energy lambda is equal to h upon square root of 2me. Okay, so we'll be taking these two formulas. Let's first go for momentum. Then lambda E will be h upon Pe. This is Planck's constant. Lambda P will be h upon momentum of proton. Then we'll find, now if you see this equation, lambda is equal to lambda P. So lambda E is equal to lambda P. So can we write h upon Pe is equal to h upon Pp. H gets cancelled. Pp will come in the numerator upon P. So what is left on right hand side? Just 1. So it is 1 upon 1. So we can write, therefore Pp is to Pe is equal to 1 is to 1. Okay, this is the answer. Whenever a ratio is asked, you will have to write the final answer in this format. So for the momentum we have used this formula. For kinetic energy we'll be using this formula, that is lambda E will be equal to h upon square root 2 mass of electron, kinetic energy of electron. For proton, de Broglie wavelength for proton, h upon square root 2 mass of proton and kinetic energy of proton. Now de Broglie wavelength for electron and de Broglie wavelength for proton are equal, so I'll write RH is also equal, h upon square root 2 mp and ep. Now h and h gets cancelled. I'll take this on the numerator. Okay. What is left? 1 upon 2 me kinetic energy of electron, 1 upon square root of 2 mp kinetic energy of proton. I'll take this over here. Before taking, I can write squaring both the sides. Squaring both the sides, 1 ka square is 1. Square root of this, so square root and square, this gets cancelled. So what remains? 2 mass of electron, kinetic energy of electron, same squaring. So square and square root gets cancelled. So it is 1 upon 2 mass of proton, kinetic energy of proton. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled over here. Now we want ratio of kinetic energy. So kinetic energy of electron, kinetic energy of proton. This goes over here. So mp comes in the numerator on left hand side. Now we know that you all might have also studied in theory part that mass of proton is equal to 1836 times mass of electron. So I'll be substituting that 1836 times mass of electron, and here we have mass of electron. So kinetic energy of electron upon kinetic energy of proton, mass of electron gets cancelled. So now this is the ratio, that kinetic energy of electron is to kinetic energy of proton is equal to 1836 is to 1. Okay.